Toolcraft started its journey in 1989 in a garage. That time we have been regional supplier of CNC manufactured parts. Meanwhile, we are an international supplier of innovative manufacturing technologies and mainly additive manufacturing. So Toolcraft is in the forefront of industrial additive manufacturing. We invested in a green laser system for pure copper applications. We invested in a multi-axis LMD machine, and all this we run with Siemens software.
Siemens NX is a very powerful software solution. Starting with the design, it's like lattice structures, gyrate structures, or with the topology optimization, but also we have a closed process where we are able to switch from the design, go to the build job preparation. We can perform a validation process, we can compensate our part, increase our part performance. Also, our colleagues from the CAM division are able to perform their programming on the same data. And if the customer intends to do last-minute design changes, we are able to update our whole programming on every section here. And this is a really quick and efficient way in producing LPBF parts. A currently new project to us is the use of our multi-axis power laser machine. With this special machine, we were able to create much larger parts due to the increased build space. We can generate hybrid parts where we go into the machine with a much cheaper base material and then we do coatings on that one. Also, we are able to use a pair process here where we put in a damaged part, we perform a scan to get the data in our NX environment. We perform the modeling to repair our part. We then go into the programming, we perform the build-up rates, we code the parts, and after that is done, we perform a second scan, and with that data we perform the programming on the CAM milling section, and then we can finish our part.
At the moment we are about to develop a robot cell where we are able to do the additive process but also the milling, and the whole solution consists of Siemens software and hardware. We see a very strong partner in Siemens. Most of our recommendations are implemented in its software, and this helps us to industrialize the additive manufacturing. We started our new branding Ambitious in 2020, so we are industrial consultant for additive manufacturing and meanwhile also smart expert for Siemens in this topic.